after the blood leaves the arteries, it goes and it enters the capillaries. Right, so the capillaries is where you're going to go and get diffusion of substances in and out of the blood. So the capillaries go and they make interlocking like lattices called capillary beds. Right, however, before the blood can go and enter the capillary, it needs to go and have the pressure lowered because the pressure in the artery is quite high. So it enters through an arteriole. So an arteriole is a blood vessel that has a small diameter, right? In that the microcirculation that it extends out into branches away and leads into the capillaries. Right, arterioles have muscular walls which allow them to contract. By contracting, that helps increase the resistance against the blood, which therefore slows it down. Because it gets slowed down, the pressure of the blood decreases. So after the arterioles, the blood goes and enters into the capillaries. So the capillary, or a capillary, is a small blood vessel, about 5 to 10 micrometers in diameter. It's only 1 cell thick, so the wall of the capillary is only 1 cell thick, and they are the smallest blood vessels that we get in the body. They're surrounded by tissue fluid, so substances can diffuse out from the blood going through the capillaries out into the tissue fluid and vice versa. At the other end of the capillaries, leading up towards the veins, are venules. Right, so a venule is a small blood vessel. It's about, well, it is small in comparison to the veins, which are about 7 micrometers to a millimeter in diameter. It's more or less, it's just the part that unites the capillaries with the veins. So, in summary, some of the key adaptations of capillaries is that they're only 1 cell thick, so there's short diffusion distance. There's lots and lots and lots of them, which increases the surface area. They've got a narrow diameter, which means that red blood cells need to pass through one at a time, which increases the rate of diffusion. There's small gaps in between the cells, which means that white blood cells that are passing around the blood and a part of the immune system can go and move into the tissues, which can go and help with killing off or destroying pathogens.